Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a time you moved to a new house or new school. It's up to you. You can talk about school or you can talk about house.
Okay. Well, 5 years ago, when I completed my intermediate, I decided to take admission in the university, which is located in another city. My father decided to to rent it out a new house in the another city. Me and my family shifted there. It was quite a good and very spacious house. We lived happily.
We started to live
We
happily.
started to live happily there. It was. I am very happy that
I was very happy.
I was very happy. I would to. I would to have on my own room. I
I
would
was
to
very happy
happy
because
that
I had my personal
I had
room.
my personal room, but the air conditioning system in that old house was very good. I am quite very happy.
I was quite happy.
I was quite very happy to for this movement. I felt, but I still remember my old house. I am very happy, but actually I am very happy
Okay,
that.
thank you very much. You've spoken for 1 minute 17 seconds. You're using very limited vocabulary, very limited sentence structure. You said at least 7, 8 times, I was very happy, I was very
Very
happy, I
happy.
was very happy.
Yes.
So you need to replace it with other words
Other
and other
words.
phrases. That is important, okay? So
Okay.
try to speak more,
More.
try to communicate using a variety of words,
Right.
okay? Now we have speaking part 3. Why do people move to new home?
Why do people know? There are many reasons to move to a new house or new location. The main reasons are for education or to get a new job in another city. Another reasons for move to a new house is the size of family. When someone getting married,
When someone
the
gets married,
gets married, the number of person increases. That's why the people move to a new
all
house.
right, just focus your grammar, vocabulary,
Okay.
sentence structure, and try to speak more. Okay, thank you.